Hello and welcome. Seeing a registry error, blue screen of death can be frustrating, but let's fix it. This is a common issue and we are going to use some built-in Windows tool to solve it. First, you need to get to the Windows recovery environment. If you're currently seeing the error screen, simply restart your computer. If it boots up to the error again, restart it a second time. After 2 or 3 failed boots, Windows should automatically take you to the recovery screen. Once you are there, you'll see a blue screen with a few options. From this screen, navigate with your keyboard or mouse and select troubleshoot. Next, select advanced option. Now you'll see a list of tools. Choose command prompt. Your computer might restart and ask you to log in with your user account password. If it does enter your password and continue, you'll see a black window with white text. This is the command prompt. Now listen carefully and type these commands exactly as I say them. First, let's check your disk for error type. Check disk C:/F /R. That's check disk, then a space, then C:, then a space, then a /F, then a space and a /R. This command will check your main drive for any issue and attempt to fix them. It might take some time to run. Be patient and wait for it to complete. Once it's done, you'll see some text on the screen. Now we are going to fix any corrupted system file. Type this next command: sfc /scan now. That's sfc, then a space and a /scan now. Press enter. This command will scan your system file and repair any that are damaged or corrupted. It's a crucial step for registry errors. Wait for this process to complete to 100%. It might take a while. When it's finished, simply type exit and press enter. This will close the command prompt. Now you should be able to click the button to restart your computer. Your computer should now hopefully boot up without the blue screen of death. If it does, great. If you're still seeing the error, try booting your computer in safe mode. You can usually find this option in an advanced option menu we just use. That's it. Running these two commands should resolve the registry error blue screen of death for most people.